Hi everybody, we're going to do assignment 3, deleting, copying and moving graphics. Okay, so if you have your textbook, go to page 424. If not, you can use the slides given. You can go to slide 26. Okay, so let's start. All right, so firstly, make sure you download the file delete copy 13 delete copy move. I think is here. Yeah, you can download it there. Okay, all right, so on the fundraiser worksheet, okay, so we are at the fundraiser worksheet. Click the work art graphic and handles appears at the edge. So which is the word art? This one. Okay, so in do notice there's a bit of a difference. Okay, when if I click on the words itself, it will appear jagged, right? But we do not want that. Okay, we want it to appear all smooth lines. Okay, all right, then we click delete. All right, so once we have all this, you click delete. Now if you have it jagged line, when you click delete, it will just delete like that, which is not what we want. We want it to be wholly deleted. All right, and then click the block arrow graphic and click delete also. So this one is the arrow one, we also want to delete. Okay, but this one is a bit is different in such that you don't need to worry because it's the whole thing is just a block lah. Okay, and then we need to save this as 13 delete copy move solution. Okay, save. Did I oversave it? No, okay. All right. Then next we need to go and move graphic. Okay, so we click the starburst one this time. Which is the starburst one? Obviously is this one. Okay, and then you see the handle appear on the edge. Now be careful you don't click on the words because you see it's like the cases just now, but this one is easier because the shape portion is bigger. Okay, so you click on that and then move the mouse pointer inside the graphic. Okay, so mouse pointer inside the graphic. All right, so you can see here, as long as the cursor is in the 4 direction shape, 4-headed arrow, is okay already. Click it to under the percent of goal column. Okay, percent of goal column. So which is here. So we just leave this here lah. Okay, and then click the arrow shape so that it points to the fun fundraise column. Fundraise. Okay, this is the fundraise. So this one, if you notice, it's a bit hard. So you need to exactly click on the arrow itself. Then only you can move it. Okay. So move it, put it here. There's an example lah. You can see how they want it to be moved. And then we save. Okay. Then we continue on one last one. Okay. Copy a graphic. All right. So in the fundraiser events worksheet, okay, we click on the text box. Which is the text box? This one. Okay, this is the text box. You should know this by now. Okay, click on the border. Now, if you notice, we don't want the jagged line because we want the whole thing one. Okay, we click copy from the right click. We need to right click first. Okay, so right click and then we need to click copy. Then we go to the volunteers tab. Okay, right click under cell 1. Okay, right click in cell 1. So we go to cell 1, we right click here, and then we under paste option in the shortcut menu, we use destination theme. Yeah, H this one. Okay, so destination theme icon. Okay, triple click inside the text box to select all text. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, do not share and then type confidential. Do not share this information. So we are basically overwriting this confidential to do not share this information without permission from a committee chair. Okay, now notice that everything must be exactly as instructed. Okay, even the big letter, small letter also must follow. Okay, in exam, these are all will actually, if you don't follow, you minus marks that one. All right, then we save the notebook. So we save and then we are done.